I wanted to give you a rundown of one of the most important tools in my tool bag, and it's not what you think. And that's just a glimpse of everything that's in that book. So stop scrolling through YouTube videos while you're on the job. All the information you need can be found right here. And this book is for everyone. I don't care if you're brand new or been in it for 20 years. There's just so much information in HVAC to try to remember and learn. And this book gives you the edge. Anything you need to know about refrigerant charging and service procedures, right there in your hand.